Illegal betting app case. Trouble continues for cricketers and celebrities who promoted it once. A big development in the betting app probe now. The Indian cricketer Shikhar Dhawan was summoned by the Enforcement Directorate and nearly 8 hours of grilling has happened, after which he was let off. The agency questioned him in Delhi over alleged links to the illegal betting platform. With celebrity endorsements under the scanner and money laundering charges being probed, this case is only getting bigger as not one but at least 29 celebrities have been named by the ED in this case for illegally promoting and advertising the illegal money app.
After almost 8 hours of questioning, former cricketer Shikhar Dhawan has left the premises of ED. The probe agency had summoned him today with his connection to the promotion and endorsement of these apps. ED has launched a large-scale investigation into the illegal betting apps and had in fact also summoned tech giants like Google and Meta. ED has alleged that these tech giants had given premium platform to the illegal betting app so that it can reach a wider audience. Today, Shikhar Dhawan was summoned. Few weeks back, we had seen that former cricketer Suresh Raina was in fact also summoned with his connection to the promotion of the online betting app 1x, and we are seeing that the probe is in fact continuing. ED had also launched an investigation into high-profile betting apps like Mahadev betting apps and several other apps as well. We have seen that several of these South Indian celebrities had been summoned by the ED with regards to their connection with the endorsement of the illegal betting apps. We are seeing that ED has in fact also given notices to several other people who are involved in the operation and endorsement of these apps. In India, illegal betting apps are illegal, and also we are seeing that with these kind of operations, ED is making it quite clear that any sort of involvement with any sort of betting apps, they will be investigating into it. And we are seeing that today, after questioning, Shikhar Dhawan has just left the premises of ED, and further investigation in this whole issue will also continue.